This is the Canon N500 PTZ camera. We're really excited about adding the Canon cameras. Now people say, you know, why did you add the Canon cameras? You have so many PTZ cameras in your product line. Well, what really attracted us to Canon was the Canon Color Science. You're talking about cameras that are made with a level of optics and color capabilities that really go beyond what you typically find in a PTZ camera. In fact, I like to say it's more like what you'd find in a cinema camera. And look at this, it's got every connection known to mankind in the back of it. And in addition, you can go to more than one output at a time. So you can be outputting to SDI and HDMI at the same time, and even NDI. So great job by the folks at Canon, the CR-N500 PTZ camera, a Videoguys top product of 2022. Just wanted to add, if we could bring the slide up, that we carry the full line of Canon PTZ cameras. Give us a holler, give us a shout, and we'll get you hooked up with a whole bunch of Canon cameras for your workflow, especially if having the ultimate best possible color quality. That Canon Color Science is just second to none.